FXIFY scored 90 out of 100 in our 2026 testing. That's 6th on our top 10 list. They're broker backed, they run 7 different program types, they just added a crypto track with up to 100% profit split. We bought their challenges, we tested them. Here's what you need to know before you pay their fee. Hi guys, I'm Noam, co-founder of Best Prop Firms. Justin and I also run compareforexbrokers.com, and we have over 12 years experience in the trading space. 0 paid placements, 0 sponsored rankings, every prop firm we review is bought with our own money. Stick around to the end, I'll tell you how you can win cash and funded accounts in our monthly competitions. Hit subscribe so you don't miss the next review. So, who's FXIFY for? FXIFY suits traders who want 3 things. 1, flexibility. 7 program types means you can pick the structure that adequately fits your style. Instant funding, a 7-day sprint, or a gradual 3-phase evaluation. 2, platform choice, MT4, MT5, DX Trade, and TradingView. 3, serious scaling. FXIFY scaling plan takes accounts up to $4 million if you hit the targets. It isn't the firm for you if you want deep educational resources or fully transparent published spread data. They're slightly weak on both. We'll get to why in the video. FXIFY runs 7 program types, and that's a lot. We'll break it down fast. On the CFD side, there are 5 options: instant funding, no evaluation, 8% trailing drawdown, and this is for experienced traders who want to skip challenges. From $69 for the $1,000 Lightning, a 7-day evaluation, 5% profit target, the fastest path to funding in the industry. From $59, 1 phase, single step, 10% target, no time limit. 2 phase, traditional 10%, then 5% structure from $59. 3 phase, 5% targets in each phase, lowest fees from $39. Then FXIFY just launched 2 crypto-only programs, Crypto Instant Funding and Crypto Standard 1-Step. Both feature 80+ crypto assets, up to 100% performance split on eligible plans, crypto-specific rules, and those rules are a 3% daily drawdown, 6% max trailing, 25% consistency rule. Which one should you pick? If you're confident and experienced, Lightning or Instant. If you're crypto focused, the new crypto programs. If you're methodical and want the lowest entry, 3 phase at $39 is super cheap. Use PropFirms15 at checkout for 15% off any FXIFY challenge. Alright, let's have a look at rules. Rules vary by program. On standard CFD accounts, news trading is allowed, weekend holding is allowed, EAs are allowed on MT4 and MT5. Copy trading between your own FXIFY accounts are allowed too. Third-party copy trading requires verification. Lightning is the exception here. They don't allow news trading, no weekend holding, and if you're on Lightning, stick to clean technical setups inside the 7-day window. Prohibited across all programs are high-frequency trading, tick scalping. If your edge depends on either, FXIFY really isn't your firm. FXIFY have 4 trading platforms that they support, and that's well above average for prop firms. MT4 is for pure EA automation, fast execution. MT5 is for multi-asset coverage, which includes stocks and wider crypto CFDs. DX Trade is a clean web-based experience with no download required. And TradingView, that's now listed across most programs, gives you the charting depth that TradingView users have come to expect from TradingView. One caveat, however, TradingView on the new crypto programs is marked as coming soon on the FXIFY site. Payouts are where FXIFY recently made a big improvement. On evaluation accounts, so 1 phase, 2 phase, 3 phase, first payout is now on demand after your first successful trade. Subsequent payouts are every 2 weeks. Instant funding still runs on a 14-day cycle. Minimum $50 payout. For crypto programs, a $50 minimum payout, a lock upon payout rule, positions may be locked during withdrawal processing, a 7 minimum trading days on funded crypto accounts before you can request a payout. Profit splits start at 80% with CFDs, 90% with a higher split add-on, up to 100% on eligible crypto plans. Processing typically takes 24 to 48 hours. I just want to flag one important thing, in all honesty. Some Trustpilot reviewers report slightly slower payouts on higher tier accounts, particularly the $200,000 and $400,000 range. It's come up enough in verified reviews that we consider it a mild concern at scale. If you want to scale to $400,000 with FXIFY, factor a slightly longer payout expectation into your planning. Alright guys, before I get into our FXIFY test, a note on how we do this. We test every prop firm the exact same way. One step $25,000 challenge, same plan type, same account size, across every firm we review. Results are directly comparable. Now, we get asked every day whether we passed a specific firm or not. Guys, we're not going to tell you that. Not because we're hiding anything, but because it's the wrong question to be asking. Across the 30 plus firms we've tested, we've passed some, we've blown others, but we have learnt a lot in the process. One trader's passing means nothing for your odds. Your strategy, your risk tolerance, your time zone, your account size, all of that matters more than whether Justin or I passed a specific challenge. What you should be choosing a prop firm based on are the company behind it, are they trustworthy, are they paying out? The platforms, do they work, are they the ones you trade on? The fees, what do you actually pay when you stack entry, add-ons, and reset costs? The challenge rules, do they match how you trade? That's what this review covers, and we're putting together a separate series where we break down our full trading results across every firm we've reviewed. Subscribe if you want to see it when it drops. For FXIFY, we tested the one phase 25k challenge account at $199. We used MT5. The target is 10%, daily loss limit 3%, max drawdown 6% trailing. The 6% trailing drawdown is where most traders blow up on one phase. If you go up to 3% and give it back, the drawdown floor does move with you. Protect unrealized gains more aggressively than you would on a static plan. The one thing we'd call out from testing, spread transparency. FXIFY doesn't publish average spread data on their site, and if you follow Justin and I on compareforexbrokers.com, we love average spread data. So you're buying a challenge without knowing your costs until you're trading. Test out their spreads in a demo account during your preferred trading hours before you commit to a paid challenge. All right, let's have a look at pros and cons. So the pros, they have 7 program types, which covers every trader style, 4 platforms, which is really above average in the industry, including TradingView, which Justin and I love, scaling to $4 million, broker backed through FXPIG, on-demand first payouts on evaluation accounts, and 4,900 Trustpilot reviews at 4.4 stars, which is very, very strong. Cons. There are some mild reports of slow payouts at the higher account tiers, limited educational resources, spread transparency could be better, add-on costs can inflate total fees, and TradingView on crypto isn't live yet. FXIFY earned 90 out of 100 because they deliver breadth better than almost any other prop firm. There's 7 program types, 4 platforms, 300 plus CFD symbols, 80 plus crypto assets, and scaling to $4 million, including broker backing, means they score really, really strong marks. They do lose some marks on spread transparency and education, as I've mentioned before. If you want flexibility and platform choice, FXIFY is a really, really strong pick, which is why we've placed them in the upper echelons of prop firms we've reviewed in 2026. If you want broker-backed infrastructure and don't mind the documented payout concerns at larger sizes, start with the 3-phase or 2-phase $25,000 account. Test it yourself. Code PropFirms15 for 15% off any challenge. Link in the description down below. Guys, just a quick one before we go. If you got value out of this review, do 2 things for us. First, subscribe. We drop a new prop firm review every single week with full testing, honest breakdowns, no paid placements. And second, join our Discord community, The Trading Desk. There are already thousands of traders in there. We provide latest discount codes, exclusive giveaways, and our monthly competitions. The link is in the description down below. And here's what I promised at the very start of the video. Every month we run a trading competition with real cash, real funded accounts on the line. Top 10 traders win funded accounts, and places from 11 to 50 get free challenges. Details and entry at competitions.bestpropfirms.com. See you in the next review.